Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be just a quick, probably 10-15 minute video. So 15 minutes tops, I promise. Let's see how it goes. But anyway, I'm done with work for today, and I decided to make quick dinner. Nothing too out of the ordinary, but just something quick and healthy. And I just decided to make use of whatever I had left in the refrigerator, just to put some together. So I had some salmon fish. I have some salmon fish in the refrigerator. So I said, what best to pair that with other than a side of broccoli vegetables. And to go perfectly with that is a smoothie. So this is 2 types of persimmon fruit. It's very sweet, but it's extremely soft. I noticed I have a lot that I left in the refrigerator, so they're going soft. So now it's even the best time to use it for a smoothie. So I'm going to make persimmon smoothie to go with my meal. So, and this is just a ginger, strips of ginger that I'm going to use for the fish. So let's go ahead and get started. I have oil going in my pan. I also have water with steaming, a pot with steaming water, just a little bit. That's going to be for the broccoli. I don't want to saute the broccoli in oil. I'm going to steam the broccoli. And to give the broccoli some flavor, I'm going to add butter to the water. Along with that, with the butter, I'm going to add, where is the salt? Okay, along with the butter, I'm going to add a little salt. See, the butter is melting. Just little salt. So that's like half a teaspoon. So now my broccoli is all washed and ready to go. I'm just going to toss it in there. I'm going to give that a quick stir so it gets coated in the butter. Ideally, I would have loved to add black pepper, but at this point, just salt and butter is enough, because the fish will have some little bit of sauce to it. So that's that. We're going to allow that to steam. Let's get the cover to that. The cover to our pot. Washed it out the other day. I washed it out. Here it is. Clean dishes. So, okay, so we're ready to prepare the fish now. So I'm just going to use all-purpose seasoning. Sprinkle that. And then I'm going to use bouillon powder. You can use any bouillon cube of your choice. And it has sodium in it, like it's already salty. Not salty, but it has salt in it, so there's no need adding more salt. And the all-purpose seasoning has powdered garlic and parsley, and some other, and onions, powdered onions. So that's all I need. So I'm gonna flip it over. Let's make sure this is on the fish thoroughly. Flip it over. And I'm going to do the same to the back. And then add the bouillon powder. No salt necessary. Fish doesn't need much salt. So we're going to put it in facing this way, so that eventually when we flip over, the final cooking process will be with the skin facing down. Okay, so the oil is going. We have our ginger. It's going to be heating right next to the fish, so it seasons the oil, and the fish will absorb the ginger flavor. Okay. The oil is not quite hot. Let's wait for it to heat up a little bit more. Meanwhile, okay, so our persimmons is all cut up. It's so soft, it's just like papaya or mango. I think more like mango, but it's very sweet. So it's all cut up and ready to go for our smoothie. Let's check on our fish real quick. Oh wow. Let's lower the heat. Splashing everywhere. So I think we're ready to stir, to turn it. I added, I'll show you what I added. So look at that. That's ginger. I can smell the ginger flavor, or smell rather. The smell of the ginger, I can perceive it. So I added just a tiny bit of sesame oil, just a little bit to give it, an extra nutty smell. So what I'm going to add next, we flipped it over to the skin, and that's the part we want to really, get crispy. We want it crispy, so that's where we're going to leave it till the fish is done. But meanwhile, I'm going to add dumpling sauce, and you can use soy sauce if you want, but dumpling sauce has this extra nice umami flavor. So I'm going to add it on the surface of the fish. Of course, it will roll down, but to cook alongside the skin, just a little bit. We don't need much. Let's see how far this goes. And now that we have some sauce going on, we are going to scoop it and put it over the fish. So the fish absorbs all the flavor. So now that's done. The flavor is good. I just tasted the spoon. So now we can cover it. Ooh, let me take a picture. This looks beautiful. Okay, so now we can cover it and allow that bottom side to cook. So the middle is cooking because we have this covered, so the steam is cooking the middle part of it. So let's get going with our smoothie because it's almost ready. The broccoli is cooking with the remaining steam. Remember, we switched the leftover steam We turned off the heat, so the steam is now preparing, cooking the broccoli thoroughly. I don't like very hard broccoli anyway, so that's getting almost done. This is almost done. Let's prepare the smoothie. Okay, here's the persimmon fruit. Here's our blender, little smoothie blender. Let's get some ice. Need enough ice. Okay, that should do it. So we have that. Okay, so we have this. We're going to add some orange juice, 100% orange juice. Okay, I think that should do it. And then we're going to add our persimmons. Okay, I think we can fit everything in. And we're going to close this up and blend away. Good to go, guys. So now it's time to serve. Pour out our smoothie and we're good to go. Okay guys, we have our broccoli out. It's ready. Let's take a look at our fish. That's done too. We're going to turn off the heat. Ooh, it looks beautiful. Okay. How beautiful is that, guys? How beautiful is that? Let's get the other one. Ooh. Oh my. Don't worry about the mess we've made here. We're gonna fix it up. See how beautiful is that, guys? So beautiful. So I'm going to take a little bit of the oil and then just a little bit. Clean off the perimeter of the plate. Okay. How beautiful is that? We're good to go. So we have our smoothie. Oh, we need a spoon for this smoothie. Let me get a spoon. So, look at our smoothie, guys. Persimmon smoothie. Look at that. So cold. and refreshing. This is beautiful. Okay guys, as always, I am going to chow down. This is so beautiful and healthy too. I'm going to chow down on this dinner. I might probably end up having 1.5 pieces of fish, but we'll see, because the veggies look so tempting and it smells good. So I'm going to chow down on this dinner, and as always, subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, share the videos, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a good one.